My name is Roger Culbreath Jr. I work for Comporium, and my title is Engineering Director. So our products, we offer voice, video, and data. Our markets are the Charlotte market, the Columbia market, South Carolina, and then Asheville, North Carolina, about 125,000 customers. Products we have is the C20, we have a C15 session border controllers, we have G5s and G6. So all of our voice traffic depends on the ribbon network. We removed the old DMS 500 and then brought in the C20, put in G5s and G6s. For us, it was a 4 to 5 year transition. Ribbon was there the whole way. So from that 2015 all the way through 2020, it consisted of multiple projects, but we got it done. We have a lot of executives that was in tune with the project, and they were very nervous about a switch conversion because picking up one switch and then you're putting in another switch. And I think just having, Ribbon there, the experts, to come in and explain how things work, and just having them work alongside of us help ease their minds. So I think we knew we needed to do it in order to, stay competitive. And then we're trying to make our network more reliable using the SBC. So we're going for the ESA, so emergency standalone, and then we're now moving more towards geo-redundancy in our network. So trying to make sure that we have the most reliable network that we can put in place for our customers. Of course, I'll say the buzzword AI. Okay, so we came in and say, how can we leverage AI on the Ribbon network? We're just looking forward to seeing how we can better manage our traffic, troubleshoot our network, and improve our network through AI. So yeah, it's all about AI for us. With Ribbon's voice solution, our customers can have a more reliable network.